Welcome back to Baking with Zach. We're gonna make a Southern sweet iced tea recipe. You're gonna need 4 pitcher-sized tea bags or 12 regular tea bags, 4 cups of water in a pan, 2 cups of sugar, and then we're gonna have 12 cups of cold water when we put it all together in the pitcher when we're done. Let's get our tea mixture ready. Let's go to the stove. The tea is done brewing. Now we're gonna add it to our bowl. I'm gonna strain it through this just in case there's any extra loose tea that came out. See, look at that. Now we're gonna add the 2 cups of sugar. Stir it around, and we're gonna let this set for about 30 minutes.
Meanwhile,
our mixture is done setting for 30 minutes. Now let's go to the sink and put our 12 cups of water in it with the pitcher. We're gonna pour this in. Now we're gonna add our 12 cups of water. A little bit more. There we go. Now let's get a cup and taste it. Fill the cup with ice and let's see how it tastes. That is good. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And see you guys later.